Legal shorthand dictation 80 words per minute. It has been argued by the learned counsel for the petitioners that from perusal of definition of the term salary given under section 12 of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 and bare reading of entry number 39 as referred to herein above, it is clear that exclusion provided under section 12 subsection 2 of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 reflects the clear intention of the legislature not to include the aforesaid judicial allowance and special judicial allowance in the salary for the purpose of charging tax thereon. Therefore, according to learned counsel for the petitioners, withholding of amount of income tax by treating the judicial allowance and special judicial allowance as part of taxable salary income is illegal and without lawful authority. Para. In support of their contention, learned counsel for the petitioners have placed reliance in the recent judgment of Peshawar High Court in the case of Muhammad Asif and other versus Federation of Pakistan and other as well as judgment of the Lahore High Court in the case of Syed Shabir Shah versus Federation of Pakistan and others in whereby according to learned counsel for the petitioners it has been held that deduction of income tax on the judicial allowance and special judicial allowance from the salary of the members of the district judiciary and members of the establishment of Lahore High Court and Peshawar High Court is illegal and without lawful authority. Para. Conversely, learned counsel for the respondent has opposed the above contention of the learned counsel for the petitioners and submitted that every income is chargeable to tax unless exempt. According to learned counsel for the respondent, keeping in view the exhaustive definition of the term salary given under section 12 of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, it is clear that all the benefits and the allowances are part of salary income, therefore rightly subjected to withholding of income tax by Accountant General of Sindh. It has been further argued by learned counsel for the respondents that claims of exemption of both these allowances is not available under section 2nd schedule to the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, whereas burden is upon petitioners to prove that such amount is exclusively used and spent for their performance of their duties.